Hey guys, Tech HD here, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 13 beta on your iPhone. So let's get started. First up, go to the link given in the description and hit on sign up. So as you hit on sign up, make sure you enter your Apple ID that is logged into your device. Now log into your Apple ID and just accept the agreement. So now after this, you just have to go to the iOS section and then scroll down. You'll find enroll my iOS device. So once you hit on enroll your iOS device, you're going to go into a page where you'll download the Apple beta software profile. So as you can see from your iOS device, go to the beta.apple.com/profile to download the configuration profile. So now go on to your iOS device. So I'll be using my iPhone 7 here. As you can see that I'm running the latest iOS. I'm logged into my Apple ID, and when I go into about, you can see that I'm running iOS 12.3.1 and I have no other software updates available. So with the latest version installed on your device, you just have to go to Safari and just type beta.apple.com/profile and hit enter. Now you're going to see that you have to log into your Apple ID. So make sure you log into your Apple ID, and then once you're done logging into your Apple ID, you just have to download the profile. Now just hit on the download profile button and then just hit allow and continue. As you can see that the profile has been downloaded. Now what I have to do is go inside settings, and then you can see that there is a profile downloaded. Just hit on the profile downloaded section. You will see that the iOS 13 is available. Now just click on install and then the profile will be installed on your device. So the restart will be required. Make sure you restart your iPhone. So once the restart is done, you just have to go inside settings, then scroll down general and just go to software update. You can see that the iOS 13 beta is now available to download and update for my iPhone. So let me just download and install the update and I'll be right back. So hey guys, I'm back. The update was completed successfully. So let me just go through all the setup and I'll be right back. So as you can see here that it's asking me for a dark or light theme. You know that it's only available on iOS 13. So now iOS 13 beta has been installed on my device. So using this profile that you downloaded, you can just go inside settings and go to software update, and you can just update to the latest iOS beta version. You can see that I'm running iOS 13. So thank you for watching guys. Hope this video helped. Like and subscribe for more videos.